Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Excel with the CVT gearbox. This is the 4-wheel drive model. It's currently done 31,977 miles and it's finished in the colour Silver Blade. It's an excellent fuel efficient SUV. It does sit nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. It features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. The convenience continues to the rear as you have a power operated tailgate which you can open and close with just the push of a button. It provides you with access to the 580 litre boot. You can increase this space to 1,690 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous black leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. To the left of the steering wheel here you have controls for your infotainment system as well as the display in the instrument cluster. On the right there you have your adaptive cruise control. On the display here you've got access to different driving data. You can see your average fuel consumption. You've got a compass, access to your audio. There's also trip information and your battery charge for the hybrid system. You also have access to your lane departure warning system, pre-collision warning system and blind spot monitoring to keep you safe and secure when you're on the go. Centered in the dashboard here you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You've got your Bluetooth telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system also features navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. In the apps menu you've got access to the e-store. You can download features there on the system. In your information you've got your energy monitor as well as trip information and trip history. In your setup menu you've got access to vehicle and system settings. The system does come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Toyota Online to keep you well connected while you're on the go. This RAV4 comes with front and rear parking sensors and a rear camera to make parking much easier. Below from the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. You also have heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the centre console you've got a 12-volt socket, USB input and here you have your automatic gear selector. RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.